different intro. Right now we're currently on the way to Mexico. My boy Ears is hosting a meet. It's 800 and 900. So we should get some pretty good runs in. Hoping to see that blue C5 again. I know he did just drop pulleys. So hopefully we see him out there. If not, all good. Yeah, but I'm excited to see if we can get some good runs in. Hopefully with new cars, like I said. But we'll see. It should be fun. We're about to pull up to the gas station. Top up on E, top up on some snacks. But yeah, we'll catch y'all there. Alright boys, so we just filled up. We actually only topped off 93 because we had the E85 jug on us, so we didn't need an E-pump. So see, made it a Buc-ee's, you know. Gotta get the snacks, like I said. But look, here's the whip. So y'all see, we still got the hole, but don't worry, that should be fixed within this month. But yeah, I mean, same setup as always, guys. 325 pulley, fully gutted. I will be riding with my brother, so like an extra 150 pounds, but I mean, that ain't shit, to be honest. See, snacks up in there. But yeah, we'll see what we can get into tonight. I hope to, like I said, run some new cars and just looking to make some good content. Make sure y'all follow me on IG, guys. Y'all will see all of the runs before they're posted on YouTube if you follow me on IG. That's the IG right there. Make sure y'all go drop a follow, and then DM me if y'all ever have any questions about your S650. I love answering everybody. So yeah, we'll see y'all in Mexico. All right, boys, made it out of Mexico. Some pretty badass cars, I'm not gonna lie. Here we got S650, and look at this Gen 2. It's on aerospaces all around, ESS car, gutted. He does have like a Recaro though. Here we got Ears' car. That's a twin turbo car. It should be running way better now. He's gonna go up against the he's gonna go up against that S650. I think this is an ESS car. Then of course, here we are. You already know the setup. We'll see. It should be a pretty fun night. I think they said that some other like turbo cars might show up. So that should be pretty exciting. We'll see what we can get a run in with. They're all about to go get some runs in. We're gonna stay back for this one. When they come back, we'll see who we get a run. I believe he is running this black car, and then he's also going to be running, I think, that white car, and then Paul should run the winner out of those guys, and then they're gonna all come back, and we're gonna see who I get a run, and we'll go from there. This is Ears' new blower, G3R, little filter on it. I think he's on a 115 pulley. I couldn't tell you. It got a lot faster, I'll tell you that. He used to have the G3X, now it's G3R, way bigger blower. This bitch is getting out. He got Paul actually, so we'll see. So my boy Paul said that he ran that ESS car and he got him pretty good. He said that car just took off on him. So we're definitely gonna get a run in with that car, and then we might get another run in with Ears since he is on a bigger blower now. But we'll see. They had some good runs. This car is nice. All right, boys, we're about to go out. We're gonna get a run in with that gray carbon front end ESS Gen 2, and then after that we're gonna run that Gen 3, also an ESS, and then yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Yeah, we'll see how the car does. see this car? This bitch was moving. Damn. And it's a manual car. That was a really, really good run.
Setup, right? Did you get all that briefing on your channel?
Fuck yeah. This is gonna do crazy on Instagram. Trust.
So stock ET2 and stock motor.
Gen 2, baby. Y'all saw how it went. Pretty good run with the ears. Bro did just pop a tire though.
I think I really did pop a tire.
Bro literally just popped a tire.
Because when I raced that white car, bro, it spun out. I literally was like, and I was like, I just stayed in it. I was like, fuck.
Yep.
I popped the tire.
Yeah, his shit's
That's why
gone.
I fucking spun like that.
Damn. Drive a little stop.
Yeah, every 5 minutes.